Is your Windows 11 running slow? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you a few simple tricks to make your PC faster, smoother and more responsive. Let's get started. So first step, we need to check storage sense. Go to menu, click the settings, go to system option and search the storage option. Just click this. Make sure your storage sense is on. If you turn on this, automatically delete your junk files, temporary files in your system. And click this clean up recommendation. Click this see advanced option and just click remove files. Continue. This process is done. Option 2. Again go to settings. Here you can see privacy and security. Just click this. Click general. Here there was many buttons are on. Just turn off everything. Again come back. Next one, click speech option. Is this on? Just turn off. Again come back. Click this ink and typing. Turn off this. Again go back. Click this location. If you are not using location service, just turn off everything. Now again come back. Click camera option. If you are not using camera in your PC, turn off everything. Scroll down. Here you can see additional settings. Click this. This third option is unwanted. Just click uncheck. This will block your PC unwanted ads. Fourth option, again go to your settings, click apps and click installed app. Here you can see there was lot of applications installed in your PC. If you are not using any apps in your PC, uninstall it. Next option, again click apps. Here startup is there. Click it. Turn off this all. Only allow antivirus. Next option, click gaming. If you are not playing game in your PC, turn off. Press Windows plus R key. Type temp. Then press OK. Click continue. Press Ctrl A, delete. Maybe some files showing like this. Just skip it. Now again press Windows plus R. Here you type percentage temp. Again percentage. Click OK. This is all your temporary folders and files. Click some folder. Now press Ctrl plus A. Delete everything. Here you can see there was lot of storage occupied. Almost 9.96 GB was occupied temporary files. That's it. Your Windows 11 should feel a lot faster now. If this helped, give one like. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.